Hello, today we're going to go through our website, our Moxie website on 21 Online. And as you can see, I have this open. And the first place to go is to sign into your 21 Online, of course. And then we're going to go to our Productivity Hub. In the Productivity Hub, we're going to go to our Moxie website. You can hit any of the Moxie tabs. They're all going to take you to your dashboard. In your dashboard, you have the option to go to your website, so click that. If this is your first time into your agent website admin tool, you will see a pop-up menu, a pop-up that says that you're going to have to agree to the terms. And then it's going to ask you to create your website name. We suggest that you use your name. For instance, if it was me, it'd be Shauna Dolby C21, or Shauna, just Shauna Dolby, I'm sorry for this one. And then you will create that, you verify it and agree and continue. Then you will have this menu pop up so that you can customize your website. Pretty much just unpack it and choose the things that you want on your homepage, and you can also publish it when it's all ready, and I'll show you how to do all that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to personalize the website style. So you'll hit go there right here on the first little suggestion. You'll choose your homepage layout. Everything that I learned when we were first setting these up said to use a search focus. So that's what I have chosen, but you can create an agent focused one. And if you feel like you're more advanced, you can customize it completely. Once you've decided, you'll hit publish. The next thing you're going to do is work on the layout. Or excuse me, I'm sorry, I'll go back here and I'll show you. You're going to personalize the home page. And so you'll click on the second one, go there. As you can see, it kind of walks you through everything that you can do really quickly and easily. So you can hit go there. And here's where you're going to customize your website, the background picture and all that. And just to give you an idea of what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my website real quick, and you'll see that right here, it has this picture in the background. And I'm going to go ahead and click out of that and go back to here. I'm going to switch it to a different photo today. Not really liking that one so much, so I'm going to upload and choose a new image. And it's good to go in every once in a while and change it. So you can download something from your computer. And if you're just starting out on this, I would suggest just go ahead and using the image gallery, because it's already the right size and it's already approved and those kind of things. So you want to go through and look and find one that you like. Let's see here. I think I'll choose this one right here. So when I click on this dot right here, I can click on the bottom part that says select custom area. And I'll do that. And that's the picture that shows up there. I'm going to go ahead and finish doing some alterations and double checking everything to make sure it's the way I want it to look. The next thing you see here is that you can choose the color. So if this was a black background there, then I might want to change it to white words. But since it's white, I'm going to leave it as black, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it darker so that it's visible to the public. And then right here, like you saw when I pulled up mine, it says helping people buy and sell real estate. You could change it to whatever you want. It has a good suggestion when you open it. I think it says something about your dream home, finding your dream home or something like that. So you can leave that or type in something else right here. Then you should check and make sure that all of the information is correct. You can put in your name, your title. It's probably going to have the name there already, but you can put in whatever title you want there. You can put realtor, you can put broker. I have managing broker on mine for this one. And then you can also put in any designations that you may have right there. You can put in your phone numbers, your office phone number, your cell phone number. If there's an extension, you can put it in. When you open yours the first time, it's going to have your license numbers in there. Most people have just one license number. I had 3 and it was kind of a bit much. So I went ahead and just put the states in there instead. Your email address that you're using and your office name. It's very important that you have the office name in there. It's a requirement, state law. So make sure that that's in there. The next thing that I like to show you is how to add a video. People like to see videos, and it adds a great presence for your website. You can get the video from any place that you really want that is working for your website. Some people like to do community videos that are already made that you can find on YouTube. Just make sure that you're authorized to use those. Century 21 has a lot of videos on YouTube. So I went ahead and used this one because I like it a lot. And you click on that. It's a really nice video. And I'm going to go ahead and push pause because we don't really need to watch it. You guys can go to my website and see it if you'd like to, and you can use the same one if you would, if you like it. But how you get that on your website is you're going to hit this share button, and you'll see that there's a link here, and you can just hit copy, go back to your website, and then in this area right here, there's a bar across. You go all the way to the very end of it. You click on that, and where it says source, that's where you're going to paste that video that you just copied. It's going to automatically put it the right size, whether the person is on a computer or on their phone or on their tablet. So you just go ahead and put that in there and push OK, and it's going to embed it right into your website. There's other things that you can do from right here. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. If you want all those changes to save, you're going to need to hit publish at the bottom. So I changed my background. You might have changed the wording, maybe added a different phone number. I have a little video here on the very end. I'll show you. It's just a little YouTube video I did myself on my YouTube channel that I put in there so that the clients can learn a little bit about me. So I'm going to hit publish. And now I can go over into this upper left-hand corner, and I can say, I want to visit my site. And as you can see, oh, look, it doesn't look exactly right. So I might want to change this to white. It doesn't look quite right. So I'm going to go back to this, and I'm going to make this white. And I'm going to go ahead and publish that and see how it looks. It was a lot lower than I thought it was going to be, so we'll see how it looks now. I think that looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there. Here's my video, all my information and my photo. Obviously, when I was here, you have the option of choosing an image. And that's the image that I had for this website. If I want to update it at any time, I can come in and do that. I have featured properties. Those are my listings. And I also have open houses, and I'm going to show you guys how to put that on there as well. And the blog that I just did. I'm going to add a new blog today. So I'm going to go back. Since I've already published that and I like the way it looks, I want to show you, you can get to all of the things right here on the side too. So the next thing I was wanting to show you is how to add a custom search. So in order to do that, you go to this side bar here and hit on custom search and hit add new. I'm going to create a search, and in order to do that, I need to open up my website. Which is ShaunaC21.com. I'm literally going to make a search right here. So I hit property search. Right now, it looks like I have a search going in Portland. I'm going to change that to Vancouver, Washington. Then I'm going to take my filters right here. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to change it even more. I'm going to say I want to do only open houses like you saw on my front page. Any day of the week. Single family, condo, townhome. I don't care the square footage or the year built, things like that. But let's say I only want homes with views, then I would put that on there and hit apply. There is also, let's see here, should be square feet. I'm looking for the price. Don't see it. It's probably right in front of me and I don't see it. But that is how you do it. And then you can change that. I only want single family homes. I'm going to take the views out because I'm afraid that that might not bring enough up for open house. And I'm going to hit apply. It's going to bring up those homes. It says single level. This one doesn't look like a single level, but there it is. And these are all the open houses. In order to get this on your website, you're going to go up to the address bar right here, click on it and copy it. Copy, go back to your admin page, and you're already here on custom page. So I'm going to put open houses, and I'm going to name it test because I already have one in there. I'm just doing this to show you how to do it. And then you put the path, which is the address bar that we just did, and you paste it in there. And then you save it. Now, when you want to add that into your website, you go back here and you go to your home page. You can scroll down here below. You might have seen before, custom search. You would put your title here. And then when you get to here, you can, it shows you, okay, let's see here. I had it already done. I'm gonna go back here. Okay. This one's already done, so I would have to add another one. I apologize. This one, you're going to oh, I see. It's right here. It'll be in here. Featured list is there, and this would be open house test. See, that's where I just had created it, so I could put that there. And then I would go down and save, and it would be that new one. Also, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it how I had it. And then you can also add it to, I want to show you guys. So it is down here. My open houses this weekend in Clark County is what I named it. And then you can also have it in your top menu here. And the way you do that is you go over to this and go to site pages. If you click on that, I'm going to leave it. It wants to make sure I don't want to leave it without saving. So I went ahead and told it to do that. And now I'm looking at your site pages. You can edit your property searches here, your open house searches here. You can add new ones. So if you remember, they had different titles across the top. That would be properties, buying and selling, about me. And then when you click on them, those pull down menus will be the property search, open houses, and so on. The ones that are showing on mine are the ones that are the property search and the open house. And let's see what else would I had here. And my active listings. So those are the ones that I have going. So you can rearrange that by, say I want the property search after the open houses. I can put it there like that, or I can move it like this, however I want. And then at the end, you're just going to publish it and it will save. Next thing I want to show you is adding a blog. Right here, you can add new. Right here on the side where it says blog. My blog I'm going to do today, I got from Keeping Current Matters. It's going to be called People Want Less Expensive Homes. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in here. Capitalize it. I think that will look better, don't you guys? Want less expensive homes. I think that'll grab their attention. Then I'm gonna copy this content. I'll have to click on it and copy post. You guys can write your own blog. You can take it from our hub that we already have going if you want to do a market update, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here, and I'm going to put the post here. You can add a picture to it if you'd like. I'm going to save this to my desktop. And so I can add it here. I'm going to bring that in, drop it right there. Search in there. So it's there. And now I'm going to save my blog. right here. I'm going to categorize it as a market update. I could add a new category if I want to. How about I'll call this home buying. That'll be under my home buying category. So I'm going to add that new category. And then I'm going to publish it. Now that's going to show up on my website, and I'll show you. I go over here and refresh. Right here. Don't expect a flood of foreclosure. Oh, that's the one I did yesterday. This is the one that I want to do today. It's right here. People want less expensive homes. So my blog is going to be at the bottom here. And that's really cool, super easy to use. And I have just a couple more things I want to show you. Once you're finished getting your page looking the way you want to, I would recommend publishing it right after you get your photo, your information right, and keep working on it, adding more content. So what you want to do is you want to go back to that first page there, go down to complete your site activation, and it says make your site visible. Go there. When you get to this page, it's going to you're going to have this button right here checked. You're going to uncheck that and save it, and that will publish your website. The other thing that you want to do is you want to make it a secure website. Also, when you create your website name, and it really, when it first opens, you're going to put your name in there, and it's going to be named, if I had put Shauna Dolby, it would be shauna.dolby.c21sites.com. So it's kind of long. If you want your own website, for example, shaunadolbyc21.com without the sites and the other information there, you can get that. Just let us know and we can help you with that. And I decided to do mine even shorter and put shaunac21.com. I think I paid $12 or $20 for a year for that domain name, and it was very easy to add it. So you can set it up by clicking on set up domain, vanity domain, go here. And you type in the domain name right here. See, I've already done this one, so it's popping up in there. And you hit continue, and you want to set this as your primary. Once they approve it, you're going to need to get that domain registered, or you need to pay for that, or have the office help you with it before you go here and do that. But once you have it, you can go here and put it in there, and you'll just say set this and hit continue. It'll verify everything, and usually it happens pretty quickly. You can start using it right away. And instead of having your other long name, you can give people on your business card like Shauna did. Hers is ShaunaWallaceC21.com. When people type that in, it goes to her Moxie website. One last little thing. When you do that, you'll notice how this is a secure website. If you don't go into the settings and change it to be a secure website, it won't show that way. Some people don't feel comfortable using that, so you might want to make sure that it's secure. It's really easy. What you do is you go to this little settings button. You go to this little SSL button. You click on that. And I got a little, where is that? I had that up. Oh, I must have clicked it out. Though when you go to this, it'll have a little box. that says, go ahead and activate SSL. You click on that and you continue, and then this will happen. And then it will show as a secure website. So basically, you just go down here, click on it, and it tells you what to do to make it secure. And then you continue. That's all I have for today. There's a lot that you can do in here. Obviously, you can add optimizations, all sorts of things, and that will be a different video at a different time. I hope that everybody has a great day. Take care.